Hello everybody, this is Jason from MaggieFrame. Today I will introduce how to choose the right size of MaggieFrame for your Happy embroidery machine. And then compare the Happy tubular embroidery hoops you have with the MaggieFrame for your reference. The Happy embroidery machine have two popular hoop lengths, 355mm and 495mm. Okay, let's start. The first two Happy hoops are these. The inside dimension is 90mm round and 120mm round. And the most close size of MaggieFrame is 100mm by 100mm square. That means 3.9 inch by 3.9 inch. The third Happy embroidery machine is this. You will see there is a 15 mark on the hoop. It's 150mm round. And compared with our MaggieFrame, the most close size of MaggieFrame is 130mm inside by 130mm inside square. That means 5.1 inch by 5.1 inch. Let's do the comparison. You will see the 130mm by 130mm square MaggieFrames have a little bit bigger embroidery area, but it's very close. This is a perfect size for the left or right chest logo embroidery, and this is a very popular size and a very common use size. This is the fourth Happy tubular hoop. The inside dimension, the dimension is 18cm. That means 180mm round. And compared with our MaggieFrame, the most close size of MaggieFrame is 175mm by 175mm square. That means 6.9 inch by 6.9 inch. This is the fifth Happy tubular hoop. The dimension is 21cm. That means 210mm round. Compared with our MaggieFrame, the most close size of MaggieFrame is 250mm by 230mm square inside dimension. That means 8.5 inch by 9 inch. This Happy embroidery hoop in my hand, the dimension is 320mm by 320mm. And compared with our MaggieFrame, the most close of MaggieFrame is this one. Is 240mm by 240mm. That means 9.5 inch by 9.5 inch inside dimension. Let's do the comparison. If your Happy embroidery machine can only accept the hoop length like this one in my hand, 355mm. That means this hoop, the inside dimension 240mm by 240mm is the biggest magnetic hoop in the market, which can fit on your machine. But if your Happy embroidery machine can accept the hoop length 495mm, then we have three other bigger size for you to choose, which can fit on your Happy embroidery machine. This MaggieFrame in my hand, the inside dimension is 265mm by 315mm inside. That means 10.5 inch by 12.4 inch. Let's do the comparison. If your Happy embroidery machine can accept the hoop length 495mm, we have another two bigger size of MaggieFrame for you to use for the big embroidery project. This one in my hand, the inside dimension is 350mm by 395mm. You will see the comparison with the original Happy tubular hoop. The size is 320mm by 320mm. You will see the comparison. This MaggieFrame in my hand is the biggest size of MaggieFrame currently in my product range. The inside dimension is 435mm by 395mm. That means 17 inch by 15.5 inch. And in the comparison, inside the middle, it's the original Happy tubular hoop, the size is 320mm by 320mm square. So this hoop can only work on the Happy embroidery machine, which can accept the hoop length 495mm. Except the A size of MaggieFrame I just showed, we also have another A size for you to choose for your different embroidery project. For example, this MaggieFrame we have is 195mm by 70mm. That means 7.6 inch by 2.7 inch. This size is mainly for the sleeve or also for some baby clothes. This size of MaggieFrame, the inside dimension is 320mm by 100mm. That means 12.6 inch by 3.9 inch. This is good for the trousers. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video can help you a little bit to find the right size of MaggieFrame which you need for your embroidery project. If you have interest to get more information about MaggieFrame, please subscribe our channel. We will bring more information, skills and experience to you. Thank you for your time.